The Netgear power is solid blue.
Alright. Now, on your computer, go to the Wi-Fi networks. If you see the Netgear_Ext, connect to Netgear_Ext.
And there is no Netgear Ext.
Try to turn off or refresh the networks.
I see the Netgear Ext.
Connect to Netgear_Ext.
We have a check mark beside it.
Alright. Now open a web browser and then go to mywifi.ext.net.
mywifi.ext.net.
Yes.
And it says no internet.
That's okay. Go to mywifi.ext.net.
I'm there, and it says, oh, and now it just popped up.
Accessing the mywifi.ext.net, it should take you to the new extender setup.
It does. Oops, I'm having just a little power problem here. Okay, so I'm in new extender setup.
Yes, follow the prompts for the setup.
Okay, I'm clicking on new extender setup.
Okay.
Extender auto firmware update. I agree.
Agree to that, yes please.
Now it says create an account. Do I use my account that I already have?
Yeah, that account is for you to access the extender interface only. So if you want to use your account so that it will be easier to remember, yes, you can use it.
Yes. Your Wi-Fi extender is not connected to the router. Do you want NetGenie to help? Yes or no?
Yes to that.
Okay, I see a whole list of things here. I see 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and 5 gigahertz network.
Select the name of your Wi-Fi.
So I have the 2.4 guess. I have Netgear 39. Like I have several. So you want me to select several of them?
No, select the name of the Wi-Fi network that you wanted to connect to. Your Wi-Fi network name is Netgear 39, right? Do you want to connect to your 2G network?
I have Netgear 39 and I have Netgear 39 5G.
Right. So for the 2.4, if you want the extender to connect to your Netgear 39, then select Netgear 39 on the 2.4. If you want the extender to connect to your 5G network, under the 5G, select your Netgear 39-5G.
Okay.
Next screen would ask you for the password for your Wi-Fi network.
So I selected for the 2.4 and for the 5G, and now I hit next.
Yes.
It says there's an existing network. What's the password network key? Okay, the 2.4 and 5G have different passwords. So the 2.4 has a different password than the 5G. When I type in the password for the 2.4, it is typing the same password in for the 5G.
Yeah, you have to go to the 5G and type the password for the 5G network.
Yeah, I see. There's a box at the top that says click if it's the same password. I see. So now I can do it separately.
Okay.
I know this is going to work now because I have done this. I've had the same router before. Now it says enter a network name and security settings for your extended Wi-Fi networks.
Yep, that's where you can create the Wi-Fi name for the extender.
Okay, and I'm going to enable one Wi-Fi name. I'm going to call it Netgear 2.4 dash underscore 2G 2EXD and 5EXD. And I'm going to have the same.
If you enable one Wi-Fi name, the extender will use the same Wi-Fi name with your router.
Right, I'm not going to enable it, so I have two different Wi-Fi names now.
I see. You have to uncheck it. Okay.
Yes, I have.
Uncheck the enable when Wi-Fi name. Okay.
Yes, I think what happened, what I was running into, is when I initially when I tried to manually connect it myself, it was saying there was no internet connection. And then as we waited, it turned on. It says we are applying your settings. This may take a moment.
Okay.
So now I see use the following credentials to connect Wi-Fi enabled devices to your network. I have the 2.4.
Yes, that's the Wi-Fi details of your extender.
Right.
Now, if you have your phone, check on your phone if the extended network is now showing.
I see on my computer, I see the network 5G extender, but not the network 2.4.
Just give it a little while. It may take a while for the networks to come up. Please click next or continue with the setup.
It says for me to connect my device to one of the above networks. So I will connect it to the 5G Ext because the 2.4 isn't there. Is that correct?
Okay. Connect the 5G Ext.
And now the 2.4 guest X has popped up.
Okay.
And I pressed continue. And it seems to be working now.
Your computer is connected to the 5G Ext that you have created. And you now have internet. The 5G on the extender should lit up if you are connected to the 5G. If you are connected to the 2.4, the 2.4 should lit up. That is an indicator if there is a device connected to that extender's network.
Right. I have connection to 2.4 and 5. They're all lit up.
That's good to know then. So you're done with the setup. So for your devices, just connect them to the Wi-Fi network that you have created for the extender.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else?